What's up everybody, Ammar here. In today's video I'm going to show you what's inside my camera bag for travel. My camera bag for travel is the Loop Pro. Amazing bag from Loop Pro. I'm using this since almost 6 years. Still amazing heavy duty camera bag. I don't think so they are still making it anymore, but in the description below guys I will try to keep links for some similar bags from Amazon. Now let's check what is inside this bag guys. If you are wondering what is this, I will come back to it at the end of the video. Now let's see what's inside the bag. This is how I managed to organize the stuff inside the bag. This area it's empty because usually I keep here my Sony AX100, but I'm using it now to shoot this video. Now let's talk about this first. This is my Nikon D750, the full frame camera from Nikon, and in front of it I have my favorite full frame lens from Nikon, the 24-120 f4. Amazing combination from Nikon. And for the memory cards, I am big fan of Lexar memory cards. Amazing memory cards from Lexar. What else here? I have here my Rode VideoMic Pro. This is my favorite microphone for vlogging. I have here as well some batteries for the Nikon D750 and for the Sony AX100. What else guys? I have here the Nifty 50, the 50mm Nikon f1.8. Amazing lens, cheap, affordable, but you will get pro grade results from it. And this is the Zendor travel adapter, so I can charge my devices easily anywhere in the world. And here where I keep my drives, I have bunch of drives. This is the My Passport Pro from WD. Very fast drive, amazing for video editing. This is the 2 TB model. And I have here also the Transcend 1 TB shockproof drive. Amazing also from Transcend. This is 1 TB model. And also I keep with me this Seagate 4 TB drive. I'm using this to take Time Machine's backup from my MacBook Air. So 1 drive for the backup and 2 drives for editing. What else I have? I have here bunch of chargers to charge my cameras, and here where I keep all my batteries. Batteries for the microphones and for also the speed lights. What else guys? I have here the Nikon SB900. This speed light from Nikon, the SB900, still amazing, using it since more than 6 years. It is workhorse. And I have here also the Godox X1 trigger. I'm using this trigger to trigger my speed light from the Nikon D750. And here I have the case for my SD cards, to keep my SD cards safe. Amazing case, just no name brand, but it is amazing case. I will keep links in the description below for all the stuff guys, so you can check it. Now let's see what we have here. In the front I keep this. This is my Apple MacBook Air. Amazing laptop. I like it. It's really light and fast. I'm using it for video editing on the go. And here guys, this thing, this is the Bose QC15. This is noise cancelling headphones from Bose. I'm using this while I'm traveling. It's amazing for airports and for travel. Complete noise cancelling, amazing. Now they have a new version, they call it QC35. maybe we need to upgrade, but so far amazing headphones. In the description below, guys, I will keep links for everything I managed to talk about today. So if you decide anyway to grab any of these items, just make sure to use one of the links in the description below. Thanks guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will catch you all in the next video.